What do you need to fit an FCPO5.1 connector on a DG113 6.60mm diameter coaxial cable? CAVEL cable stripper, CAVEL scissors, FC02 model, a brush to fold the braid over the sheath. How do you fit an FCPO5.1 connector on a CAVEL coaxial cable? First of all, level off the cable using CAVEL scissors. Then take CS00 cable stripper and use it on the cable like this. Squeeze the jaw slightly and turn the cable stripper 5 or 6 times, and while keeping the jaw squeezed, strip the cable. Use a brush to fold the braid over the sheath like this. To make it easier to insert the connector, grind the foil on the dielectric, like this. Then turn the connector 180 degrees and insert it on the cable. At this point, screw the connector onto any female F socket to complete the tightening. This last step locks the cable in the connector permanently. CAVEL scissors can be used both to cut the CAVEL cable and to cut the internal conductor of the coaxial cable at 45 degrees angle, duckbill cut, to make it easier to insert it into the female F connectors. As an alternative to the cable stripper, you can use CAVEL scissors. You have to strip 6 mm of the cable to reveal the internal conductor like this. Then reveal 6 mm of the braid like this. Then fold the braid using your fingers.